Be seated. The case of Hansel and Gretel versus Mrs. Salem. Prosecuting attorney, defense attorney, how do your clients plead?
Your Honor, my client pleaded.
Prosecuting attorney, you may now make your opening statements.
Your Honor, in this trial, I shall prove that the defendants, Hansel and Gretel Smith, cruelly and grossly murdered Mrs. Agatha Salem. There was no reason to do it after she was so nice and kind to them, and they were so mean to her. She treated them very nicely, and they treated her awfully.
Defense attorney, you may now make your opening statements.
Your Honor, I would like to try to prove Mrs. Salem guilty, and that she is also a witch, and that Gretel did push her in the oven. She was treating them very, the witch, Mrs. Salem was treating them very badly, but she had said herself she was going to eat them, and if to be killed or not to be killed in Gretel's place. And so she did it according to law of self-defense.
Prosecuting attorney, you may now present your case.
Your Honor, I would like to call Dr. Leroy Seltzer to the stand.
Is your left hand on the Bible? Is your left hand on the Bible, right hand in the air? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Here, state your name. And Dr. Leroy Seltzer. Be seated.
Doctor, could you please state your profession?
I am a medical doctor, owner of Lititz.
Is this the death certificate presented as prosecution for the head? Dr. Seltzer, was Mrs. Salem's death thoroughly investigated before the death certificate was made out?
Yes, it was.
What was Mrs. Salem's immediate cause of death?
She died of suffocation and burns.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Defense attorney, you may now cross-examine.
I have
Witness excused.
Your Honor, I would like to recall Dr. Leroy Seltzer at a later time, with your permission.
Permission granted.
I would also like to call Mr. Gelatine Behead to the stand.
Place your right hand in the air. And your left hand in the Bible if you want. You solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes. State your name. Guilty. Beheaded.
Mr. Behead, did you ever witness Mrs. Salem being cruel to children or anybody at all?
Not on purpose, no.
Did you ever witness children or anybody being cruel to Mrs. Salem?
Yes, it was every time there were children in that neighborhood.
What did they do to Mrs. Salem, or what did they say to her?
Well, they'd run past and they'd throw rocks and they'd yell, witch, witch, witch.
Did you ever get a close look at her house?
Well, I don't expect people's houses, but I did. I did look at it.
What was it made of?
Well, it was good for kids.
Was there any that you saw that you built perhaps as a baby?
Not really. I mean,
Did you go by her house or see her house a day approximately?
well, usually about see your house about 4 times.
Answer the questions, Your Honor.
Defense attorney, you may cross-examine.
When you say when children were in the woods, how often were they in the woods?
Well, not very often, but every once in a while.
Okay, was there ever, did children ever go up close to the house and talk to Mrs. Salem?
No.
How was she dressed?
Well, she usually wore black and brown.
What color eyes did she have?
Red.
Okay, why do you think she had us, kidney us?
I don't know.
Where do you live in relation to Mrs. Salem?
May I use the blackboard?
Your Honor, does my witness have the permission to use the blackboard?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Now, forest. House. Silk. My house.
Okay, and where did her neighbor, well, her, now, Santa's live in relation to her?
Oh, Miss DeSantis lived about here.
So now she goes beside her.
Well, there were a few trees here.
Okay, I get that. Okay. I get it. What was Mrs. Salem's personality?
She's a very sweet little lady.
Do you think she could have built her house? I'm not saying she didn't. Do you think she could have built it to lure children?
You know, she
I object, Your Honor. Pure speculation.
Objection overruled.
Did you ever know Hansel and Gretel?
well, I haven't known them, but I've seen them before.
Where were they at?
Sometimes they were kind of nice, but usually they were trouble.
Do you think that could have been because they were neglected at home?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, no further questions.
Witness due.
So now would you stand to the stage drummer?
Do you solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth? I don't. State your name. Janelle DeSantis. You may be seated. Mr. Sanchez.
Were you ever inside Mrs. Salem's house before?
No.
Why do you think Mrs. Salem built her house out of energy?
I don't know. Just
Did you ever see Mrs. Salem being cruel or mistreating any children or anybody at all?
no.
Did you ever see children mistreating Mrs. Salem or being cruel to her?
Yes.
Could you please explain one of the situations where you witnessed this?
Well, when she's outside, they run towards her house and make fun of her.
Who's that? Anybody specific or any children at all?
Just children.
How do they make fun of her?
Well, they call her witch.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Defense attorney, you may now cross-examine.
You say the children call her witch. Do you think they're right at any point?
No, I don't.
What did she dress like?
Well, she wore pants most of the time. She wore sweaters
And what color was she?
and they're brown and brown.
Okay. Did you ever just see what color eyes she had?
Sort of like a reddish greenish.
Did you ever really get a good look at her eyes?
No, not really.
Did you know Hansel and Gretel?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Did you ever see her cooking anything like a large black kettle? Did you ever mistreat a child?
No.
Never. No further questions, Your Honor.
Witness excused.
Your Honor, the prosecution rests at this time.
Defense attorney, you may now call your witnesses to the stand.
Your Honor, I would like to call Ms. Hathaway to the stand.
You swear to tell you solemnly swear to tell the whole truth, the truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You state your name.
Christina Hathaway. What would Hansel and Gretel like?
Well, sometimes they would be cross and stuff, and they said that it was because their mother had misleading from them before.
Do you think they'd ever do anything to harm anyone on purpose? Or for any certain reason? If a certain thing would come up, would they harm someone? Like, in this case, like, do you, no. When did you meet them?
But I've known them since I was 5,
And you are now?
11.
What did Gretel dress like?
But she always wore brown and green, and well, she always wore skirts, and they had to, but they would always come down to her ankles where her socks were.
Do you know why?
Well, one time she showed me she had like, bruises and scratches on her legs, and she said that's why she wore them.
Were you ever inside their house? What was it like?
Well, there was just like inside the wall was their kitchen.
Your Honor, I object. Their house has nothing to do with if they killed Mrs. Salem or not.
Objection sustained.
What was the stepmother like?
She always ate. Well, I never saw her with them, but she was always yelling at them and everything.
How father?
He tried to sneak them through and things, but their stepmother always caught them and made them take the food back.
What was he like in school?
They got pretty good grades and everything. Like I said before, sometimes they would press.
Did they mention being at Mrs. Salem's house or anything to you at all?
One time they did. They mentioned that they saw the house and they started reading off the Nathan's story.
Let me tell you the story. According to Mrs. Salem, tell them she was going, she mistreat them at all.
Well, or locking, Hansel in the shed barn. Locking the door.
Okay, how did Hansel dress?
Well, he must wore blue and gray. His hands had patches on them and stuff.
Another question, John.
Prosecuting attorney, you may now cross-examine.
What did the stepmother exactly do to them to mistreat them? Isn't it possible that Gretel could have gotten scratches on her legs from bushes or things in the woods?
Yeah, she wasn't allowed outside. She did all the work inside.
But isn't it true that her father was a woodcutter?
Yes.
So wouldn't they often go into the woods?
Hansel would, but Gretel wasn't allowed to go with him. She had to stay inside and work.
Did you ever personally see Mrs. Salem or go by her house? No further questions, Your Honor.
Witness excused.
I would like to call Miss Martin to the stand.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? And then state your name, Jessica Martin. Please.
What were the Hansel and Gretel in school?
Well, they were nice. They never being tested, and they got good grades.
Did you suspect them being hungry most of the time? Or they-
Yes.
How?
I suspect them being hungry because other kids sometimes gave them food because they never brought a lunch or anything.
Did you ever meet their stepmother?
Yeah.
Did you ever meet Mrs. Salem?
Yeah.
Did you ever see her house?
Yes.
Okay. Did your never tell you about being in our dress now?
Yeah.
Or were they pretty shy children?
They were sort of shocked.
Did they usually did you ever see Gretel's like, scratches on her legs or anything?
Yes.
How did she dress?
Well, she wore long skirts.
What color was
Usually brown.
Prosecuting attorney, you may now cross examine.
Did you have any reason to believe that the children were mistreated besides Gretel's scratches on her legs?
Yes,
Why did you think they were mistreated?
because she was hungry and she got lunches from the other kids.
Did Gretel always wear a long skirt?
Yes,
How did you know then that there were scratches on her legs?
because when we had recess, she went out her skirt and you could see her bruises and scratches.
Did you ever meet Hansel's and Gretel's father?
Yes,
What was he like?
he's nice and I don't think he would mistreat them.
Any further questions, Your Honor?
Witness excused.
I'd like to call Gretel Smith to stand.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? State your name. Please.
Let him rest. Let him rest for please.
Well, I have long skirts, and I have long uniform and I certain occasions.
Okay, what color is it?
Brown,
Did Mrs. Salem say anything about like her trying to eat you or did she ever mistreat you?
yes, she did. But when she took us into her house, she said she was going to try to fatten Hansel up to eat him. And she also said that she was going to leave and like that.
Okay, what was your stepmother like?
She was very mean. She wouldn't feed us. And she was always really.
Okay, did you how did you rescue Hansel from Jack?
Well, I got the key and unlocked the shed.
Why did you kill Mrs. Salem?
Well, in that case, it was a matter of kill or be killed. It was sacrifice.
Okay.
Why wouldn't be killed?
What color eyes Mrs. Salem had?
Yes,
What color?
red.
How was she dressed?
Only black or brown.
What was her personality like?
She was very
Did you ever see her mistreating another kid like it? Okay. Questions, John?
Prosecuting attorney, you may now cross examine.
Did you ever go to Mrs. Salem's house prior to this time that we're speaking about?
well. I did not, but I'm sure Hansel did because when he went out with our father.
Did you think Mrs. Salem was a witch? Why?
Well, she always wore dark colors, black or brown, and she did have red eyes, so she was very mean.
Didn't you ever think that perhaps red eyes could be caused from something else besides being a witch?
No, I did not.
Just because this woman is wearing that colored dress, does that automatically make her a witch?
But she does not have red eyes.
Isn't it true that, did you ever have red eyes before? Like after crying or having a cold or something like that?
I had pink eye, but only in one eye.
How did Mrs. Salem treat you? And if she mistreated you, what were some of the ways that she mistreated you, or if she treated you good, what were some of the ways?
Well, she didn't mistreat us. She would live in the house and put down on my cousins and scrub.
Did she beat you with rainbow at all?
Yes, except she fed Hansel more than she did me.
But did she still feed you more than what you got at home?
Yes, she did.
So she didn't mistreat you in that way?
Not exactly.
No further questions, Mama.
Witness excused.
Mama, I'll look the call. Princess Lititz to the stand.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I do. State your name. Yes, sir.
While you were in the shed, did Mrs. Salem feed you up?
Yes.
Why do you think she did that?
Gretel told me that she told her that Mrs. Salem told Gretel that she was giving me a lot of food, so I would
Your
eat
Honor,
that
could you
stuff.
please instruct the witness to repeat what he just said?
Mrs. Salem told Gretel, and Gretel told me that she wanted to fatten me up so when she would eat me, I would have more meat.
I object, Your Honor. There is no proof given that Mrs. Salem intended to eat them.
Objection sustained.
Did she, what did she dress?
Well, she had black skirts. Well, she wore everything black.
Everything?
Well, her shirt and her skirt.
Okay. What color eyes did she have?
Well, she had red eyes, glowing blue.
The glow.
Well, I don't know about in the dark, but they glowed.
Okay, did you ever Oh, forget that. What was your stepmother like?
My stepmother was very mean and used to beat us and never gave us anything to eat.
How did she beat you?
Oh, she just took anything she could find and started hitting her.
Okay, were you mostly in the woods with your father or at home?
Well, but
Both?
yeah.
What was your father like?
He was nice and he tried to sneak us food, but sometimes my stepmother called him and she didn't let him give it to us.
How did, Gretel dress?
Well, she wears long skirts that go down to her ankles that are usually brown or green, and that's it.
What did, no further questions, Your Honor.
Prosecuting attorney, you may not call today.
Did you go in the woods with your father?
Yes,
Did Gretel?
yes.
Was Mrs. Salem mistreating you?
Yes.
Do you know why she was mistreating you?
No.
Did you ever do anything to Mrs. Salem? Or was that just your personality?
It was just her personality.
Did your mother ever beat you in front of other people or mistreat you in front of other people? Like your father and brother?
No.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Witness excused. now make your closing statement.
I hope I... Yes, second. The PA would like to recall someone. I would like Dr. Igor Seltzer to take the stand. Dr. Seltzer, well, you do have some background as a family doctor, sort of. You know about colds and how to treat them, don't you?
Yes.
Would there be any other reason besides Mrs. Salem being a witch for her eyes to be red?
It could be red because they were bloodshot, or something could have gotten in her eye.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Well, the defense attorney may now cross-examine.
What is your name? What is your
Dr. Igor Seltzer.
how come it says Mortimer Escarno beside it? Okay, get that question? The doubt that the defendants, Hansel and Gretel Smith, have thoroughly and grossly murdered Mrs. Salem. Mrs. Salem was very kind to them by letting them sleep in her house, eat in her house, and eat her house. She did all these nice things for Hansel and Gretel, and in return, all she gets is stuck in an oven. It has not been proven that Mrs. Salem was a witch. She was a nice, lonely old woman who enjoyed children's company. The children started the rumor of her being a witch by the way she dressed and the color of her eyes. People who have red eyes and wear black clothing are not automatically witches. There has been no proof given to support the idea that Mrs. Salem mistreated Hansel and Gretel or any other children.
Defense attorney, you may now make your closing statements.
I hope I have proved that Mrs. Salem was a witch. Her eyes glowed, they were not bloodshot, and that the reason Gretel pushed Mrs. Salem into heaven was a choice to be killed, to kill, or to be killed, according to law, that's self-defense.
I have heard the evidence. I will now go to my chambers to try to make a verdict. All right. All rise. You may be seated. Hansel and Gretel Smith, rise, please. This court has come to the verdict that Hansel and Gretel Smith are not guilty. You are free to go.
We are the LA lawyers. Don't you know we're cheap? Trying to find us is a joke, a task you can't complete. So why don't you keep on trying, using gasoline?
Good morning from Venice Beach, California. And as you can see, the surfers are thrashing the waves. And now over to Nicole.
This is WDF, the leading law firm of Venice Beach. Now, for introductions, who is Ms. D? Like I am, like, what's it to ya? Ms. F? You don't really care, do you? Answer is W. choose F, like I must be the W.
Okay. What do you specialize in, Ms. T? Like cash, like Ms. F?
Checking accounts.
And Ms. W.
Credit cards are like so cool.
How long have you been a lawyer, Ms. T? Like, I don't keep track. Ms. F?
What's it to you?
And Ms. W.
What do you care?
And what do you specialize in, Ms. Oh. Do you have a phone number that the audience could call in case of legal assistance? Yeah, it's like 1-900
Cash or credit?
and your hours for that phone number. Like,
We don't have our
We work
when we feel like it.
And that was an interview with WDF, the leading law firm of Venice Beach. And now, a word from our sponsor.
She got legs. She knows how to use them.
We are the LA lawyers. Don't you know we're cheap? Trying to find us is a joke, a task you can't complete. So why don't you keep on trying, using gasoline? 'Cause we are the LA.
Oh, what a shot. Don't you think we're charging a little too, not very much on our fee for our law firms?
Yeah, we're charging too little.
Yeah, I know. It's only $75 every half hour.
I know, we should charge about $400. The age of my grandpa when he died.
When he died, don't you mean like right today?
Yeah.
$400, that sounds good. $400 every half hour? Okay. Oh, wait, I gotta go. See ya. Sorry. This is what we're gonna do with your money.
I hit it.
Here's our numbers. You can reach us at this number. Okay.
Oh man! Neato! Are your friends putting you down? Are they saying, your clothes are out of style? You look really geeky. Well, if that sounds like what's happened to you, come to us. We'll fix you up. Our locations are great. Right behind Barney's Bar and Grill. In the dumpster. We have famous clients, like Sam. Can't you tell? Our number is 1-800-LOOK-GOOD. That's right. 1-800-LOOK-GOOD. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. We have
Not at all?
Whoops, I forgot to
That's okay, we'll do it again. It's no big deal. Okay, let me see see if we recorded anything.
Here, you do. I'm coming here today to sell you an awesome offer on AC/DC. The group you all love, AC/DC. For all you heads out there. Plus you get an AC/DC picture of a record, a tape. And if you call in 10 minutes, you get free Mr. Gift. mystery gift. For 50 cents or under. That's right. And if you act now, you'll get your free mystery gift. That's right. 10 minutes. Our number is 1-800-ACDC. Psst. Hey, you a cop? Well, no, you're not. Listen to this. You think you got a case that you can't win? Well, I'll solve that problem for ya. I give him cars and everything. Just call me at my secret phone number. 1-800-RED HEAT. That's right, 1-800-RED HEAT. Now, you better not be a cop. If you are, don't call.